Now what's going to do to let you pull in? Now I'm a dog. I want to ban. John, my face, it's been a while. Been a while. That's in the coach. The same in a Potom Tala right now. I'm gonna put them Tala. Just preparing for Friends of Sabarabi Row. Hello. Enjoy day. Happy. Well, English, I don't see the Lana. Come in, see. Hello? Huh?
Where are you?
Right now we say same market. Yeah. Okay, it's on inbox. It's on inbox. I say
Hello, ladies. Niraj. Mina bafethu ngowami ake comfortable nokhuluma nomlimi ngisuke eChina kahle kabi. Dula de shuwa. Downloading no bana. In English I'm saying are you guys good?
From Tim.
Dala sito babuwa. Sito babuwa na wana. Bafika Niraj neza Friday
ngibona abantu abami. Awunyusa bright ngathi phone ntombi yakho. Oh, ngibona niyaphila.
Siyaphila njani?
Hayi siyaphila no bengimfanisa lo sisonke ngemu.
Lo 5 bonus.
Yeah.
Inside up. Oh, okay.
Oh.
Okay, you're so busy. Come. Matema.
Thank you. I will watch you on my friend. I ain't putting the cinema down. Thank
Some people want the thingy, somebody who's going free.
It's live. You're live, man. You're live, man.
Yeah.
What am I?
Also, being somebody
What am I? Salvo,
don't put up to our face. Please buy the ticket.
Salvo, I'm coming.
Man.
Lazana Kazimo. How are you? Siyaphila phethu anifike phela nizoxhasa ubhuti omdala kushubile kuthafu kuheavy kutricky kuwow.
So go it up is a stage. So go it up is a stage. You see, darling.
Sobe kushube ngempela.
So simisa kanjani?
Ngophetha ubhuti abadala, hayi kushube ngempela ke lapha emarket.
Njalo uphelelwe yisupla endlini.
Manje ngizana lapha emarket ngihlala khona noma
Anifike phela abantu abahle. Bongo. Anifike phela enkonzweni kabhuti omdala.
vacation noma
Fethi Tafisi ithayireda ngithi. Please.
Simenzela iqina, simenzela umhlonyana ubhuti omdala.
hayi bo.
Imali.
Ubhuti omdala simenzela umhlonyana.
Ngiyakhuliswa bayizela umhlonyana. Ibhuti omdala.
Zake that's
Ayisonde.
imali. Yes, aseshoma imali.
Okay, cool. Shout out guys. Singaphuma ke manje nami lapha. Bengizobingelela kahle kahle. Nginamashoni.
Okay,
Angizwa.
bye.
Ibe green ne?
Now be sharp.
Sharp. Angikhiphe futhi umuntu oyedwa lokugcina. Ha? Esha phezulu lapha wena ephezulu lapha. Awubhebhe bathi lapho boy.
Yeah, sihamba manje.
Sengaphuzile bafethu episode dala. Okay.
Nifike sibe khona no bastard lapha no baba wakhe Pakistan. Ay.
Oh, bastard. Sharp. Guys, man.